Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the BraunAbility side entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the door. You can then pull this and bring the ramp down. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. In the middle, you will have a jump seat that will flip out of the way. It will fit an additional 2 people. Now that the jump seat is flipped out of the way, you can have the wheelchair user in the middle. In the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. Go ahead and bring the ramp back in. Lift it up like so. And close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. So back here you will have room for some storage, and as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 86,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.